Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a brilliant blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a nice burl walnut trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, you've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, CD player, radio, and our hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our buttons for our dynamic selects and driving patterns, our buttons for our infotainment center. This GLC has 34,704 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.